Good morning, magandang araw, magandang umaga everyone. So, tomorrow guys, birthday ni Yuri. 5 years old na si Yuri tomorrow. And punta kami ngayon ng Robinsons. Punta kami sa Dumaguete. Para bilhan namin siya ng gift niya for his birthday tomorrow. Grabe, ang bilis ng panahon. 5 years old na si Yuri tomorrow. Parang kailan lang naging mama ako ni Yuri. My first baby, 5-year-old na tomorrow. I'm happy and also kinda sad. He asked me why you also kinda sad. Because, I mean, not sad, maybe just emotional because you're my first baby and you're growing up. I'm happy that you're growing up, but kinda emotional because
that age again.
wow, you will never be small again. Like, so you will never be little boy again. You're growing up. You will never be a little boy again. And you will have your own world.
Mama, but almost growing.
Yeah, you're growing. You're tall already. Very
I
tall.
almost hit you.
Wow, tag-ulan na talaga dito sa amin, guys. Look at that. The rain is so heavy again today. Ulan na talaga. I hope hindi uulan bukas sa birthday ni Yuri para mag-enjoy kami sa water park. Kasi medyo malamig
I
doon.
think Yuri will enjoy water park. Is the rain even more?
Yeah, but it's gonna be cold. He's gonna get cold.
It's not much.
He gets cold easily. Last time he got cold at the swimming pool in Manila. We're here in Robinson na. Grabe naman ang init dito sa city. Napakainit, guys. Happy ang bata na yan. Where is the Nintendo? Ah, ayan. Ang
About
Nintendo,
different
ano
OLED
pala
and
siya?
LCD. Here is OLED.
Yeah, it's OLED.
Here.
Smaller. It's nice because it's portable, handy. You should already buy a protective case. I think this gift is not just for Yuri.
I actually love mine.
I think somebody else is happy with this gift.
Papa.
Finish mine with my sister.
It's for both of you. Wow, advance ang birthday ni Yuri ah. Happy birthday Yuri, advance. That's from Uncle Jin, scooter. Nagpadala si Uncle Jin ng money pang buy ng gift ni Yuri. Ayan ang pinili namin, scooter. Say thank you Uncle Jin. Mag-careful kuya kay wala ka pang ano helmet. Bili kami ng cake for Yuri's birthday. Alright, going home. Tapos na kaming bumili ng mga gifts and cake for Kuya's birthday tomorrow. Ang init dito guys, nakakapasok ang init sa Dumaguete. Wow, may pasalubong din si baby sis. Kakarating lang namin si baby Mia. Kakagising niya lang din sa nap niya. Imong baby, kailangan pantihan. Walay panti imong baby. Wow! Look, Papa.
Ako birthday surprise.
So cute, right?
Ako birthday surprise. Scooter, what to wear?
Who is it from?
Mama and Papa.
No, it's from Uncle Jin.
Thank you.
Uy, wala pa ni.
Wala panti ang baby ni Mrs. Pantihin na imong baby, Mrs.
Lang
Mrs. could actually fit in this stroller
na.
when she was a newborn.
Uy, mata. Ayaw, gawa ka.
Ay, agawa yung baby. Yan na. Cute. So cute. She's hugging it. So cute.
Ang lubot.
She has a mother instinct.
Wala pante ang bata.
Pantihi ang bata.
Wala pante. Pangkoy.
They have the same color of hair.
Pangkoy nila.
Asleep, mo bata, asleep.
Mama, wala akong sulod siya.
Na, di ka daog.
Uy,
Nay, dako. Let me help you. Come here. Mama will help you, dali. Nangahulog ang baby. Nangahulog. Go, Mia. Walk your baby. Kailangang baby si Mia, guys. Dalawa. Nahulog imong baby. Kiss. Kiss the baby. Nahulog. Ayan si Baby Zizo. Gusto din sumakay sa scooter ni Kuya. Wow! Nice! Here, back here.
Can put her this one.
She cannot wait to grow up. And play Kuya's scooter also.
Подарок вот у Юрчика. Nintendo. Да. Марио Карт. Папа все детство играл в Марио тоже.
I like it.
И теперь
I like
мальчики.
this.
Прикольно, что можно
What was it, Papa? What was that?
еще круче.
Lain naman po ning gubot ne. Wow, ang birthday boy namin, ang handsome. Hello, Kuya. Happy birthday, my baby boy.
Wait.
Naglaro na siya
Wait.
ng kanyang Nintendo, gift ng papa niya. Both of us actually. From Mama and Papa gift.
No.
Yes, it's from Mama and Papa. Akala niya sa Papa lang niya galing yan. It's from Mama and Papa. Say thank you, Mama and Papa.
Thank you, Mama and Papa.
I love you.
I like this game.
Busy na siya sa kanyang game. But what did we agree? You will have timer for gaming. You cannot play too much. 30 minutes is enough. I think you played too much already.
No.
More than 30 minutes na. Yun ang agreement namin. Dapat hindi siya maglaro ng matagal. Kasi nakakasira ng... You were gonna have brain rot. Do you wanna have brain rot? If you play too much, you're gonna have brain rot. Punta kami sa guys, sa water park. Kasama namin yung anak ni Lenlen, wala daw dito. Sama sana namin yung best friend niya, anak ni Lenlen. Wala daw dito, may pinuntahan sa church. So yung kaibigan, anak na lang ng kaibigan ko yung bisita namin. Kami lang, water park. Si Ate Abloy kasi hindi makakasama kasi may siya. May aatinan siyang libing ng
Bam! I got
relatives
that.
niya. Let's go! Punta na kami sa water park sa Valencia. Doon namin i-celebrate yung birthday ni Yuri kasama yung kaibigan ko tapos anak niya. Celebrate kami ng 5th birthday ni Kuya Yuri! Say Mia, yay! Doon namin lang i-celebrate guys. Hindi ako magluto lang siguro ako mamaya for dinner. Share namin sa kapitbahay. Pero doon talaga yung namin. Simpleng celebration lang. Importante ma-enjoy si Yuri kasi araw naman niya. Dapat siya ang mag-enjoy. Dapat siya ang bida. Bida ang saya. Bida si Kuya Yuri today. May nabili kaming cake guys, kaso may corkage daw sa cake doon, 300 pesos. Pero yung cake na nabili namin for Yuri, tag 390 lang naman yun. Maliit na cake. So sayang naman kung mag-corkage pa kami 300 doon. Bili na lang kami ng ibang cake doon na ma-blow niya. Maliit na slice siguro. Tapos yung cake dito, share na lang namin mamaya sa kapitbahay yung iba. Mag-blow din siya ng candle niya dito. Na may This is it. Mango Ranch Water Park. Mango Ranch. Ang laki pala ng area na to. First time namin dito. Kaya pala Mango Ranch. Kasi ang dami nilang mangga dito. Tapos yung mayroon silang building na parang barn. Ang entrance ng water park dito. Yan. Come here, baby! Pag ano ang ticket nila, 300 pesos. Tapos kumuha kami ng cottage, 700. Free lang si Baby Mia. Eh, wala ano. This is it! Wow! Ang laki pala talaga ng area. Super laki, guys! Kaso yung lazy river daw nila under maintenance. Sayang naman. Yeah, that's the lazy river sana. Enjoy din si Kuya sa pag-ride ng kanyang ano dito. Ng kanyang scooter.
Ой, девушка. А? А? Ой? А? Для детей. О, бар. Мия. Мия. А? Мия. Мичка готова? Ну, ты куда пошла? Мичка, ты готова? Ну. Фонарь не ломай.
Power mo na si Dimitri at mga bata. Bili ako ng pagkain namin dito kasi bawal magdala ng food dito. Meron sila kasing dalawang restaurants. Dito na area is may grill. Doon naman sa kabila may mga fried food. I don't know, wala siguro silang healthy options dito. Meron daw silang cake. Bili na lang kami ng cake siguro for Yuri para makablow siya. Kaso nakalimutan ko magdala ng kanin. Grilled area. Oh wow. Ang daming pool dito. So many pool actually.
Итак, мы готовы. Мама пропала куда-то. Let's go. Так, мы поплавали в этом бассейне. Нави заказала еду. Мне рыбку какую-то. У Нави какие-то кишочки. И у Юрчика. А, тут.
Wala pa ang aming bisita. Pero nakapag-lunch na kami. Maya na lang sila kasi alaong mga 12 plus pa daw punta dito ang friend ko. So, mag-explore muna kami dito. Maligo, mag-slide. Yan, dito na area ang pangbata. Nandun na sila, Baby Mia at Kuya. Oh. Wow! Dito mas nakakatuwa dito. Para sa mga bata.
Mia's Happy Dance.
Так, мы пришли. Попробуем. Тут коут. Давай. Юрий. А? Not really sliding. Let's try Mia.
Oh, Yuri's visitor is here na. Nag-iisang visitor. Si Zaki. Si Zaki naman niya bisita? Say thank you, Zaki.
Ой, мама пошла подругу свою встречать с Юрчикой другом. У него есть несколько дней назад. Вау.
I wonder what's inside.
Nakakatuwa yung wave pool. Ayan si Kuya. Kuya at Papa. Careful! Wow! What's wow? Water! Maybe she said, wow, Ato! Her water is Ato.
Water is man. Man with full of water and coke. What the heck?
Kali ka diha, day.
Амелия будет с подругой, а мы с Нави попробуем скатиться.
I love it.
It's nice, yeah. It's not so scary. At first scary, but yeah, like
I want more.
кому-то 60 лет даже было.
I actually got scared when you go in because you're like, ah! I thought, oh, Dimitri is scared. Maybe it's really scary.
But after I relaxed.
I thought it's really scary because like, ah! Ah! I didn't even want to go. I just wanted to go down through the stairs. When I hear your voice, ah! Oh, it's so scary. Nandito na kami sa Darwin. Kakatapos lang namin mag-water park, guys. And nakakapagod, pero sobrang na-enjoy. Lalo na si Yuri. Enjoy, at pati si baby Mia. Na-enjoy talaga siya. And yung bisita din namin. Isa lang yung bisita ni Yuri na bata. Yung anak lang ng best friend ko. At kasi magkaibigan din silang dalawa kasi. Ang anak ni Lenlen, hindi na kasama kasi maagang wala sa bahay nila.
I want to pee.
You want to pee? Wait for Papa. Or you wanna go there outside and pee? And sa bahay na kami blow ng candle sa cake ni Yuri. Dumaan kami ng candle kasi wala kaming candle sa bahay para sa kanyang birthday. Pero Kuya Yuri is so happy today. Ang saya-saya niya. Kuya Yuri, are you happy? Yeah, the best day ever. Yan, best day ever daw. Tapos, meron siyang mga gifts sa kanyang birthday. Thank you so much, Uncle Eugene, sa pagpadala ng gift for Yuri. And, thank you, Lord, kasi 5 years old na si Kuya. And, importante, malusog siya, mabait na bata. Patuloy sana siyang lumaki na isang mabait na bata. And malusog. So, let's go, guys. Mag-share lang kami ng lechon manok sa kapitbahay para hindi na ako mapagod magluto-luto pa. Pumili si Papa ng 2 manok. Tig-isa yung kapitbahay namin doon sa malapit. Tig-isa sila. Sobrang napagod ang bata sa araw na ito. Kakaswimming, kakatakbo. We just arrived home, guys. Umulan daw dito ng malakas. Yun ang basa dito sa labas. Magbibigay si Yuri ng chicken sa kapitbahay. Cute ni Kuya. Hatid niya doon kina Lenlen.
1 for in. Go yeah. Where is entrance? Hello. Manok from Yuri. Yuri's birthday.
Thank you, Yuri.
Thank you, Ben.
Welcome. Let's show me. It's okay, give us first.
I'm gonna make a kite.
Okay. Kite. Kite you'll make. Welcome. There you go.
I will shoot me. Tell me happy birthday.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go there. Yeah, baru yung kadiri.
Let's go.
Happy birthday ko nila.
Hello.
Happy birthday, Yore. Hindi sick, Yore. Patsakay ko nila.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kuya Yuri. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish, make a wish. You make a wish first. Make a wish, close your eyes, make a wish. Anything.
Scooter and King Pat.
But you already have it. Wish another like
Piano.
good health.
Piano.
Good health. What about good health
Good health.
and knowledge?
Knowledge.
Okay. Yay! Happy
Bangag!
birthday, Kuya!
Bangag!
Happy birthday, long Kuya!
Cake!
I love it, Kuya!
Cake!
Grow to be
Cake.
a happy boy and healthy and kind and always listen to Mama and Papa and do whatever makes you happy. But be kind, okay? To everyone. And love your sister and your mama and papa. And just be a good boy just like how you are. Continue to be a good boy. And just be who you are. Just be the real you. Just be who you are, Kuya. You are already a good boy and kind and smart. Birthday boy will get first the cake.
No limits today.
No limits. No limits when it comes to sweets. It's your birthday. It's your cheat day. No, it's not you. Happy. Baby sister singing like this. Happy. It doesn't sound like happy.
Hello, Yuri. Hello, Yuri. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Okay, happy birthday, my best friend, my best buddy, Yuchik. Okay, wait for me. We're gonna meet again, maybe next year. But I wish you to grow really smart and healthy and happy boy. Don't run too fast on that scooter, okay?
Nag-cry ka? He is emotional. Actually. Yung may Uncle Jean, kuya. Nag-send ng message. Birthday message si Uncle Jean for Yuri.